my people, it's girl Christine. I'm back at it again with another video, and in today's video I'll be doing a purse review for you guys. This will be a really quick Michael Kors purse review, so if you are interested in this purse, then definitely keep on watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button down below so you can join the K-Stylers, as well as that bell button so you can get notified every time I post a video. So without further ado, let's just get into the video. So the purse that I will be reviewing today is the Michael Kors Mimi leather messenger bag in the size medium. This is what she looks like. She is in the color Jasmine yellow. She is a very cute medium-sized bag for all those in-between lovers who hates very small purses and also not the big super jumbo tote bags. This is a happy medium that you guys will probably enjoy. It's a very nice, rich, yellowy, mustardy color. So if you do like that color, this is the perfect color bag for you guys. As usual with my reviews, I'm going to tell you what I like, dislike about the bag. Starting with the details of this bag, because that's how I usually go down. I'm going to give you all the details and the features of this bag, and then we're going to go in depth and talk a little bit more about it, as well as I'm going to have up close video footage so you guys can see the bag in real time, very detailed. This is the Mimi medium leather messenger bag from Michael Kors. She retails for $4.98, and I believe I got her on the MK website for probably over $100 or something like that. As usual, around the holiday times, every now and then they do have a sale, so grab them while it's hot to save a little bit of coins, because everybody loves saving some coins where they can. Okay, so I got her in the color Jasmine yellow, and she is 100% leather. She has gold tone hardware. The width of the bag is 10.5 inches by 7 inches high and 4 inches deep. The exterior details has a back slip, and on the inside it has a back slip pocket, a front slip pocket, and it has a 100% polyester lining. It is a snap fastening, which pretty much I believe that means when you open the purse, when it closes, it's very fast, it's very strong. I'm gonna do that for you guys so you guys can actually hear how, like, do you hear that snap? It is powerful. Like, she's strong. Okay, so it is a magnetic snap closure. It's very fast. You have two magnets, bottom left and right side of the purse. In the middle you have the very nice MK monogram. Very simple, very sleek. As you guys know, I prefer that than having the whole purse branded, so I feel like this is a really nice touch. It also has that embossed feel, and it is like a cut out, so it's not like a full, you know, gold MK hardware. It does have a little bit of zhuzh to it. Super shiny, really nice. I don't see any chips. It looks very clean. As I said before, the snap closure is really powerful. It deserves its own moment, okay? And the leather, I believe it is smooth leather, but it does have a little texture to it, because if I go like this, you can definitely hear that there is some kind of texture to the leather. Opening her up, this is what she looks like, and this is the inside structure. This is what the inside looks like. A little card in the pocket of the purse, which is pretty much just a little booklet and so forth that you usually get. This purse did not come with a duffel bag, and she also came with the tag on there. So this purse did not come with a duffel bag. On the inside, it has one slip pocket at the front, and it has one zipper pocket on the back. Zip is pretty smooth. Bag. On the back of the bag, it has one slip pocket, and that's pretty much the features of the actual bag. So now when we're talking about the actual handle, I like the fact that okay, this is where it becomes tricky. So I like the fact that it starts out skinny and then it starts to thicken. That definitely helps with it being a shoulder crossbody bag, but I just hate how it goes skinny. I just hate how this section of the bag looks. I don't know. Personally, for me, I don't like how this looks. So to attach the bag, you pretty much just put it in like this, and of course it has the different holes to where you can adjust the length of the bag. And even when you hold the bag up, the handle looks really weird because of the different width of the handle, so that kind of throws me off. But other than that, the structure of the purse is really nice. It's really sturdy, and the width or the depth of the purse, as I mentioned previously in one of my bag reviews, I feel like they kind of cheat you when they kind of change the size of, you know, the depth of the purse, because as you guys can see down here, it starts out pretty thick and then it starts to slender at the top, which I feel like limits you a little bit in terms of space and stuff like that. But other than that, I really like the purse. I think it's really nice. The only thing that throws me off, that I do not like about it, is the handle. Honestly, I didn't know it was like this. I didn't see it, but either way, it's not gonna hurt me. But it's also like, what other handle could I use instead of like this? Like how it's attached, I just feel like, I don't know, something about it just throws me off, and I don't necessarily like how this attachment is. It's different from most purse, but this one personally for me, not a very big fan of it. Of course, it has the gold details, the gold hardware, which are super nice. And I will say with these companies, whenever we buy, or whenever I buy any form of a luxury bag online, they never come in boxes, which is like, listen, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm paying money for you. But that's neither here nor there. It also did not come with a duffel bag, if you are wondering, which is kind of disappointing. This is also the first MK bag I've ever purchased, so if you guys usually get duffel bags, let me know. But this one did not come with one. As usual, I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on and ways you can wear them. This definitely can fit a nice little notebook, phone, small enough iPad or Nintendo Switch, you know what I'm saying? It can fit a little game, your phone, your purse, your keys, sanitizers, your feminine products. This is a really nice size for everyday running errands, traveling with, and so forth like that. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a big fat thick thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. As usual, all the links will be down in my description box below. Bye.